Hi, good evening or good afternoon, everyone. I'm MK, Head of Marketing of Birail as well as Mental. Both Mental and Birail are projects incubated by Bybit, so you might already have seen us over at the booth with seats being given away. So we will tell you why exactly we are giving away seats in a short while. Just a little bit about myself. I look like a tired mom, probably because I've been doing events since Korea Blockchain Week, Token 2049, and then Merge Madrid. But additionally as well, why I look like a tired mom is because we are basically a group of people who have 3 babies recently. So the first baby that you might have heard about is actually BB Sol. So it's Bybit Staked Sol, and it's actually a liquid staking token on Solana launched together with Bybit. And BB Sol is a little bit young-ish. It's actually 1 year old, and some of the fantastic statistics here has been really, really great. So our BB Sol is actually 1 year in, having about 250 million stake. Now it's actually 480 million stake. And in terms of price growth, it's been really stable, growing really well. And from being LST, it's been fully integrated into Bybit in terms of utilities as well. So that's the first baby that we had. But more importantly, actually the next baby that I kind of want to introduce to everybody today is called Birail. So you saw us over at our booth just now, and some of you might have noticed what it said. Incubated by Bybit, a DEX on Solana, which is also why we are near the Solana teams. So there are 3 mini babies under Birail. The first one is a DEX. Basically, we have let me just skip ahead because there's quite a lot of information. So it's actually a DEX that's going to be blending basically CeFi liquidity from Bybit as well as DeFi with all the different dApps and projects that are actually integrated with us on Solana. And this is exactly why we are doing it. I think for a long time for the team that's been building at Bybit, who then came out to build this Birail DEX and other products, I think we've been definitely gone through a few crypto cycles ourselves, and we've seen definitely meme projects come and go, different projects and different products being built that really didn't offer actual value. There are rugs, there are different projects, utilities that disappeared in thin air, and I think we have been also really frustrated with it as well. So what we did is to build a permission DEX, and we know the current trend right now is permissionless DEX, but we all have different theories in the market, and we wish everyone the best. But yes, in short, for the DEX that we are building, I think it's been really, really easy to ship and just really go to market on Solana. So actually, we launched our beta whitelist on June 30th, and actually, we just on last Tuesday opened it to public. In that short amount of time, basically, we have been ranking in the top 10 on Solana in terms of growth for TV and TVL. So this actually is about our first product, which is the DEX. But in terms of TVL as well, so in terms of TV, what we've also been doing is to actually really scale it very fast. So not just from a beta standpoint, we actually tested it by partnering with Bybit's annual world's largest trading competition, WSOT. So WSOT, some of you might be familiar, has been the world's largest trading competition in crypto for 5 years. But this is the first year that they are launching it on-chain, meaning it's a DeFi trading competition, and they've partnered with basically Birail to run it. So that was definitely a great stress test for our baby to really, really grow. And I think because we actually survived the stress testing, we were able to launch it successfully to the public last Tuesday. Now, introducing our second baby, which you just heard a little bit about in terms of TVL, we also actually have a launch pad. And in terms of launch pads and launching babies, I think this is the one very interesting product that we are excited to share. Many launch pads basically allow you to only offer one pricing strategy to pitch in, but we actually allow you to offer up to five different strategies. You can play anyway and bid it any way you want. And obviously, we tie it to BB Sol. If you hold BB Sol, you can basically vary and the amount of bids that you want on our product. Third product, wow, I sound like a very tired mom. But the third product, Real Farmer, is the one that you've seen over at the booth. You saw us giving away seeds. But fundamentally, what we're trying to introduce is the concept of copy farming. Traders in the audience would be familiar with the concept of copy trading. Basically, you could be a trader, and if you're seeing someone doing very well with their portfolios and strategies, you could actually copy their trades. Now, in DeFi, there's another concept of called yield farming. Basically, you provide liquidity and earn something like what you call interest. And so far, like many trading and investments, you kind of do your own diligence, right? Do your own research. But copy farming, similar like copy trading, allows you to see on a reader board on Birail exclusively whose strategies is doing well, and you can actually copy their yield farming strategies in one click. So this is actually a great way for, I think, beginners to start. If you don't really know where to pick because it's really overwhelming, you can do that in just one click. Additionally, if you kind of want to level up and diversify your strategies as well, you could just do that too. So that's actually real farming. As you can see here, actually, there are already multiple types of yield farming strategies you can actually copy on ByReal. So we have the regular familiar partners on Solana you've seen, basically Frametric, QDIS, Tuna, etc. But also you have noticed something called, if you just saw in a very fast GIF, X stocks, X Tesla, X Meta as well. So this is the start of basically RWA's tokenized assets. I know this is a buzzword that we've been talking about. But fundamentally, you could also basically earn yield by holding tokenized Tesla stocks. So, I mean, it's a keynote, and typically for us in the scene, we offer alpha drops. I mean, last Tuesday, we basically shipped our main product, but we are also doing a huge secret launch real soon with another partner, like a launch pad. Additionally, as well, for Real Farmer, we are also going to be the first one to offer a referral and affiliate subscription. So stay tuned if you are the kind who loves to get in on the first early new products on DeFi, then ByReal is the place to check out, and you can become like an influencer on affiliate or master farmer and recruit your own teams of small mini farms as well. It has been a really short introduction and a great time with you guys. Thank you. I'm MK from ByReal.